What is up, guys? Flossy Missiles here. In today's video, we'll be at King of Hammers 2018 with my dad. He's over here texting on his phone.
What's up?
But he's gonna be in the Jeep. And then we got Corey and Randy and Raven there in this Tacoma. And of course we got Baja Miata, lowered Baja Miata out here. But it's actually not looking too bad.
Lowered in the rear?
Yeah, lowered in the rear and lifted in the front. Looks all right. This is about a 2-hour drive for me, so this little guy did all right making it out here. But should be a good time. Hopefully we get some sweet clips of people wilding out. We get to see some cool 4x4 action, and I don't know, should be fun. A little bumpy. So Corey's out here trying to get me stuck. We're in like the softest sand ever.
Like
2-wheel drive, yeah, it's like silt. He's down here airing down his 4-wheel drive. Expects me to make it through my 2-wheel. I don't know what this is.
You know what, if you can make it, Josh, I can
So hopefully everything goes good. Try not to get stuck. I don't want to air down too much because it takes forever to fill these things back up there. But we'll see how it goes. So you can see Chocolate Thunder's like packed already. There's tons of people up there, and quite a lot of rock crawling action. Also, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a layer of dust over all of like Hammertown. It's insane.
7 or 8, 10 miles away, I thought.
You can see all the dust, huh?
I think we must be close.
So crazy. We have arrived to Chocolate Thunder. Everyone's rock crawling up that thing, but it's pretty hairy out here, honestly. I don't know if we're gonna make it up, but I guess we'll see. Hopefully we will.
We're gonna try it.
We're gonna try it. We're gonna go full send.
Yep.
Wide open. It's pretty steep, so I'm gonna have some clutch kicks, but
we got this.
Dad made it up. This thing is steep right here. Dude, Randy, how did we make it up that?
We just went for it.
I don't know if you guys can see how steep that is, but it is like insanely steep. So yeah, we just pretty much, you know, went full throttle up it. Showing these Jeep guys what's up. Passed a few of them, honestly. Here comes Corey and his taco. Dude, look at these buggies out here. These rock crawlers are insane. Randy, what is this thing powered off? Or like propane or something? Propane powered rock crawler. I think that's so like when you're like all twisted up, you're not fuel starving because it's like a gas. These things are so wild. Oh, look at the little Miata next to all the Jeeps. So Corey made it all the way up here, which is like double as far as we made it, because he's got all the essentials for off-roading. He's got, you know, front axles and whatnot. I don't know. He's cheating. The Miata is so sick. Let's try out some giant rocks. This landscape out here is gnarly. Look how many people are rolling into Hammertown right now. This is crazy. But yeah, we're gonna head over to Backdoor now, which is like basically like a wall these people climb up on with their rock crawlers. It's insane.
You just won the Baja 1000. How do you feel?
Yeah. Super gnarly suspension on this Baja bug. Looks pretty dope. My dad took off because he has some things to do, so he headed back up the mountain. So yeah, we're still here just watching racing and off-road.
I'm taking a video.
Dude, that thing is so sick. We just saw a limo. Oh my gosh. Now we're about to go down and see Joe. Dude, I can't believe we saw a limo. It's pretty nuts. I was just about to meet up with Rally Miata in the front of Hammertown, but I got stuck on this little hill because Corey stopped in front of me. It's Corey's fault, okay? Anyways, you record for me?
Yep.
He's gonna pull me out. We got it all strapped up. Well, they got it all. I didn't do anything, to be honest. Here it goes.
You know when that gets tight?
Send it.
A long ways.
Okay, slow down.
Almost there.
Almost.
You're good.
Okay, you're tight.
And it's out.
Brian! Rally Miata! Dude, there's a mission! So I finally found Rally Miata. It was kind of a mission, miscommunication, or not even really, we were just looking in the wrong places, but dude, both the Miatas out here, they look so sick. He just redid these, or he just did this. He never had any lights up here before. He just did these front lights. They look super gnarly. They're so huge. Brian, your lights are so huge.
That's what she said.
So these are wired up and everything?
Yeah.
Dude.
They went out. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, right before I could fucking use it. The two fronts are out, but the two sides work. I don't know.
Dude, how's your alternator keep up?
It was keeping up. I don't think it was as bright as it could have been, but it was a little. It was bright enough.
Cool.
Yeah.
So sick. So yeah, the two Miatas out here at Hammers, most unlikely Hammers vehicles. Okay, so I just arrived over here at Rally Miata's camping spot. You got a pretty sick spot. This is like where the race actually goes through. This is part of the course. But he's grilling out here. He's got a sick TRD Pro. Dude, that thing looks so clean. How the new wheels feel?
Fucking bad, dude. They hook up. They hook up really well.
So aggressive. These are gnarly, dude. Method wheels. Wow. Looks good. And it's really clean right now. It's about to be really dusty by tomorrow. All the racers go by, this thing will be covered. But yeah, it's getting late now and it's really cooled off. It actually feels really good. It's got the soft top.
Of course.
Dude, and you brought the mini bike. Corey, what do you think about this thing?
You don't die. Sick.
You like it?
Yeah, definitely.
Get it! Rally Miata's got the most realistic RC car I may have ever seen. This thing starts up and everything. He's got lockers on it. It's got light bars. It's got brake lights. When he gasses it, it literally like, you can hear it take off. Hear the RPMs. That is so rad. That thing is so sick. What do you call these, like, to scale RC cars? Like
Kind of scale. His is more scale.
His is more scale? Okay.
Yeah, this is more of a monster truck.
That's crazy. Later, Rally Miata. I'll see you guys later. Check out this old FJ in front of me with the curved glass on the rear windows. This looks so sick. All right, it's dusk now. Look at these people are still rolling in. Look at all those lights out there. It actually looks pretty cool.
Okay, reset. Okay, little gray. You said what? Gray and white attitude?
Dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is hot. Woo. Dude. Those flames are probably like 20 feet high.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, it's nighttime now. We actually came out to Chocolate Thunder. I didn't think we were gonna stay this late. And there's a complete pile up going up this trail, dude. It's insane. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 vehicles right here. And this dude has a broken drive shaft. You can see it hanging below. So he's just got front wheel drive. He's kind of right in the middle of the trail. Also, we have this big military vehicle who's also right in the military, like right in the middle of the trail. So I don't know how this is gonna work out. This poor guy over here just grinding and it's not good. Look at this poor drive shaft hanging out. Yeah, it's pretty funny. And like Corey pointed out, there's a guy with a cowboy hat and a wife beater up there directing everyone. So
That's how you know you're set up for success.
pretty interesting. I don't know what's gonna happen. Okay, to get out this giant beast of a military vehicle that's stuck right in the middle of the trail to get up to Chocolate Thunder. You got this guy winched up to him, and then you have that guy winched up to him, and they're all just gonna try to yank him out. I don't know if this is gonna work, but it should be pretty cool to watch. So the update, we got 3 different vehicles, well 4 technically, well 3 attached to this thing, 3 different winches going. Let's see if he'll even budge. Here it goes! Poor guy. So that's what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, right.
Oh my gosh, dude. That guy's a beast.
We probably raced today.
That guy is a beast.
That was supposed to be done.
We just saw like all these people get stuck and he just goes right up it. Anyways, it's getting dark out here at King of Hammers and it is so dusty and dirty. And I'm heading out. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more car content. Thanks for watching.